Hey guys, these 5 tools can make your college life much better. Using of AI tools as a CS grad is really helpful. Leveraging of these 5 AI tools will make your projects much better than before. First, get your idea clarified from ChatGPT. Give your idea and get the better prompt from the ChatGPT itself. And step 2, after getting the prompt, go to Cursor AI. Go to Cursor AI, give the prompt, it will make you project. But keep in mind that Cursor AI is limited. So use a GitHub Copilot after partially completing at Cursor. Now, the Copilot will help you to add some features to it. Now, after completing the project from the GitHub Copilot, ask the Copilot to generate the README file and flow map chart in picture form. Then use Nano Banana to make the super quality images, which is flow maps, which is more natural flow maps. You can create even in draw.oi for preparing of reports and stuff. Do this way. The next step is get the all informations from the ChatGPT and Copilot, take it to the Perplexity AI, then get the detailed paper from Perplexity AI. Here you should remember 2 things. Most of the papers will be IEEE format. So download the IEEE format, give it to the ChatGPT and get the format and copy paste the same format in Perplexity. Then ask Perplexity to give one by one in detailed and less plagiarism words. By doing this, you will get less plagiarism in your paper. Then you can publish it. I hope this helped you. Follow for more.